Elrond hasn't just been rising, it's up 500% in the last 3 months. A pullback would be expected at this point, but we don't seem to think so, and here's why. Welcome back to BeInCrypto. My name is Jessica, and guys, if you haven't already, subscribe. We bring you these videos several times per week. Elrond's latest growth spurt came after they announced a $1 billion liquidity incentive program, a supercharge to the launch of their Maiar DeFi DEX platform. This could be the largest DeFi incentive program that we've seen on the market yet, and it represents a pretty big step towards pushing DeFi adoption beyond the current boundaries of the crypto system into, you've guessed it, mainstream. Our next CEO is targeting 1 billion users, and he's aiming pretty big. He said in a direct quote that by distributing ownership to the next billion users, we lay the foundation for a truly global financial system that is accessible to everyone. Let's go deeper into the project and take a closer look at the fundamentals and also what makes Elrond so unique. Elrond is a blockchain protocol that seems to offer extremely fast transaction speeds by using sharding. The project describes itself as technology ecosystems for the new internet, which includes fintech, DeFi, and also Internet of Things. The smart contract execution platform is reportedly capable of 15,000 transactions per second with 6-second latency and $0.001 transaction cost. The blockchain does have a native token known as EGLD or EGLD that's used for paying network fees, staking, and also rewarding validators, which we'll get to later on. So Elrond was first announced all the way back in 2019, but the mainnet went live just in July of 2020. We're going to take a look at the founders too because they have a pretty impressive background. So Elrond was co-founded in late 2017 as a solution to the problem of blockchain scalability, which the two founders thought as the most pressing problem facing the industry. Well, where have they come before that? Well, prior to Elrond, the two co-founders co-founded MetaChain Capital, which is a digital asset investment fund, and also with Benjamin Minku serving as CEO and Lucien Milko as Chief Technology Officer. They also co-founded ICO Market Data, an aggregator of information around initial coin offerings. Now, Benjamin was also responsible for product marketing and community for blockchain platform Neem all the way back in 2014 to 2015. And in addition, he's invested in some pretty big projects: Zilliqa, Tezos, Brave, and Binance, to name just a few. And Lucien actually has additional experience as an IT engineer working with some pretty big names in the space. Now, all of them are also serial tech entrepreneurs, but Todia is a serial tech entrepreneur who previously founded and served as CEO of Soft32, which is a software review and downloadable site, partner to MobileBay, and he's also an angel investor, having invested in biometric tech companies Typing DNA and accounting platform SmartBill. Elrond described itself as a blockchain platform for the new internet economy, decentralized applications, and also enterprise use. The main selling point is high scalability, stating the first blockchain network in which the state network transactions and sharding have all been implemented. According to the economics paper, it actually seeks to build up an ecosystem and establish EGLD as a store of value asset. And this is where it gets interesting. So the network runs on over 2,000 validator nodes, split into 4 shards, 3 for execution capable of over 5,000 transactions per second, and 1 coordination shard called MetaChain. Elrond's really adaptive state sharding architecture completes transactions and the network. It can scale by adding additional shards when throughout demand isn't met. It was tested to run 263,000 transactions per second in a public environment with 1,500 nodes from 29 countries grouped into 50 shards. Some pretty impressive numbers there. Now, in order to increase adoption, the project also supports developers building on the platform and allowing them to earn 30% of smart contract fees as royalties, which is an impressive number. The company maintains a supply of EGLD tokens to stake on the network, including first year, with validator nodes receiving 36% annual percentage rate. So what are your thoughts on Elrond and Maiar Exchange? Is this a project that can break through the top 10? And what about EGLD token? Will it keep on growing? Share your thoughts in the comments. And guys, if you are looking to get involved, you can buy EGLD and many more coins on Stormgain, BeInCrypto's partner crypto exchange. The link is down in the description box below, and you may get a cashback promo on your first deposit. That's all from me, but let me know where you're heading with the markets right now. Share your thoughts in the comments, and as always, subscribe to not miss any more updates like this.